Hey, what's going on, guys? Big Kid. Another tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to go ahead and fund your MetaMask so we can buy some proof of weak hands tokens. So you can go ahead, go to your MetaMask account, click on the three dots. Um, Go ahead and copy your MetaMask address so we can send some Ethereum to your wallet. So you're gonna already have to have some Ethereum. I have the Exodus wallet. You can use the MyEther wallet if you have Ethereum there, or you can either use your Coinbase account wallet and send it from there. But I'm gonna use the Exodus desktop wallet. So go ahead and paste your uh, address from MetaMask. We're gonna send all 0.3 0.03, excuse me. Okay, success. So after that, it takes a few minutes for it to pop up, actually show in your MetaMask wallet. You can refresh, and until it comes up, it takes a couple minutes. Okay, so now we're just waiting on our Ethereum to pop up in our MetaMask wallet. Takes a few moments. We'll give it some time here. You may have to refresh your page, or that usually. And there it goes, just popped in. So now our Ethereum is in the wallet, the MetaMask wallet. Let me go ahead and name this wallet Yes, just go ahead and name it. I like to name mine. You don't have to. Alright, so basically that's how you fund the account. Go ahead, try to click the link in my description, get your master node, and I'll see you at the top. Thanks for watching.